Okay. First I'm gonna do my lipstick. Are you a little antsy there, Tyler? Huh? Okay. Where is I want to use this lip pencil, but I can't find my sharpener. Found it. So today is Saturday, and me and my sister are gonna meet up with our small group. We're going to have a Mexican night where everybody's bringing stuff for Mexican dinner. And then we're going to play games, like card games. Okay, this is the, hold on. This is the Naked 2 pencil by Urban Decay. I haven't used it in a while. And my matte cream cup. I have this much left. It's almost out. It's my favorite. Here we go. Oh, and this. So I got this. This is Sabika earrings from a women's conference that I went to. And I actually got them from the founder of Sabika and her daughter. She picked these out for me. They're really pretty. Watch me drop them down the sink. Oh god. Well, there we go. They're really pretty. I actually don't own any Sabika but besides these. But I like these. The founder is actually very inspiring. She gave us a little speech and everything. But I've never really been into it, but I like these simple ones. I have some that are kind of like knockoffs. But I like the simple stuff. I don't really like the chunky stuff. Alright, now it's literally spring, but today is probably one of our worst snowstorms. Is that a truck again? Oh yay. So me and Hannah are wanting to go to that thing, but we're kind of worried about the weather. Hold on, I'll show you. See, the roads look good right now, babe. It's supposed to be spring, but it looks like this out. Tons of snow. It's probably the most snow we've gotten. See my spring flowers? What are you doing, babe? Blazing?
Playing Fortnite.
How many have you won today?
1.
No, you haven't. How many have you won total? He's proud of himself.
How many have I won total?
Yeah. Really?
17.
Is that good or bad?
Good.
Alright guys, so Tyler went to the store, picked up some of these. I am probably about 3 days late according to my Flow app that I told y'all about. I'm supposedly 3 days late for my period, but I don't really know. I don't really know. I don't know if I actually logged it correctly anyways last month, but so I'm going to take one and we're going to see. And I'm not expecting anything, but I'm always hopeful. I told Tyler to get the cheap ones and he got these. They're not cheap. Alright, wait 3 minutes for this one, babe. Zoe, what are we doing, buddy? Are we waiting? Are we waiting? Just waiting. Yep, that's a negative. Well, that's definitely disappointing, but I kind of figured it would be. That's negative, babe. What do you mean I don't mean nothing? Tyler, this is the test I like test 6 days sooner.
What is it? How many lines is there?
Just one. It has to have 2 for it to be anything.
Hey, it don't mean anything.
There don't.
It might show up.
They say not if you let it go for longer than 3 minutes, it could be a whatever you call it, where it just like an evaporation line. Tyler, yes. He can't come to terms with it. I think I'm used to it now. Ramp. Oh wow, it's bright. Okay guys, I kind of look like a wreck. I realize I have 0 makeup on, but it is Sunday and typically I'd be going to church, but Tyler woke up in the middle of the night last night and was not feeling good. He had like body aches, cold chills. He was not doing good. I think he had a fever, so I'm going to go and get him some medicine and drop my sister off. Guys, look outside. There's still snow, but the roads are a lot better. Alright, so just went into Walmart and I got, of course, tampons because you all know why. And then Theraflu, which I don't know why. He asked for Theraflu and the like NyQuil, Dayquil. I feel like it's the same thing because it says the same symptoms on it, but he's the nurse, so what do I know? But I am now going to head, since I'm already out and he's asleep. And he's asleep right now, I think I'm gonna head out and run by the bank real quick because I'm already out. But yeah, this is gonna be probably an uneventful day. Yeah. Let's go. This weekend has actually felt pretty long because we've kind of taken it a little bit slower, even though we have like went somewhere for 2 days. Like we went to his parents and then we went to, or I went to my friend's house yesterday. It still has felt pretty chill because we're not like doing something all day long, and I feel like I've really needed that lately. And honestly, like, I know I kind of showed you all a live reaction of my pregnancy test, and like honestly I didn't have much words to say because I mean I just get pretty used to it now. But is there a level of disappointment? Absolutely. Like I feel like out of all the months like here recently, like I felt like this one was probably my most hopeful, and being a few days late, that also of course made me more hopeful. But you know, it is disappointing and it does kind of make you lose a little bit of hope, but of course we're not giving up hope and we're not going to give up completely. I don't know, maybe some of you all know what I'm talking about, but I like to binge. Should I go to McDonald's? Guys, like where I live now, like there's a McDonald's like literally anywhere I go, it's on the way. So I've had like this really bad like, I don't know, I want to get it all the time, but I need to quit. And when I say McDonald's, I don't really mean like the food. Like sometimes I'll get food there, but I usually get like coffee or a frappe. Kind of a little bit obsessed. I'm kind of annoyed now. I just drove to the second ATM location for this bank that I bank at, and they are both out of order. Like, why? That is so annoying. So I guess I'm gonna head back home. At least I got Tyler some of his medications, I guess. So that's what's happening right now. Hey guys, now it's lunchtime, and I know this is random and not healthy, but I have leftover little biscuits or whatever from yesterday, and I'm gonna make like bacon biscuits because we have like the bacon, microwavable bacon stuff. I personally like the regular bacon better, but this is easy. When you're RV living, this is a lot easier. I mean, I guess it wouldn't really matter. You could do both, but Tyler likes this because he can just fix it himself whenever he wants to. So that's what we have right now, and that's what we're gonna use. It looks kind of weird. Better. Dang it. Wait, let's see if he notices. He saw. He sees the puppy. I love when he watches TV. Somebody's up now. Babe, how you feeling? You don't know? All those bags are from my KonMari method video. Now we're eating lunch. He's finally up. Tell her, look, he's watching.